Welcome back to Guitalele tutorials. I'll show you one beautiful finger picking pattern that along with your chords you can play and sound beautiful. The pattern is very simple. So it's 5-4-3-5 1-4-2-3 and in terms of strings. Okay, so what does that mean is that your first note is 5, then 4, then 3, then again 5, then 1, this string 1, then 4, then 2, then 3, right? So if you remember the rules of thumbs, which plays where, so you will be basically playing like this. So 5, 4, 3, 5, and then 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, so that's it. So that you can use for 6-string chords and 5-string chords like G major, C major, A minor. Okay, so you can use that that pattern. And for 4-string chords that we are using for D and all, you just simply switch it down one string and you basically play 4, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, so that's it. Now along with metronome I'll play. Okay, before I play with metronome, so there are two ways you can think of it. So as it employs 8 notes in total, so you can either play it in a bar, okay, in a bar like with 8th notes, or you can play it in 2 bars of 4 notes each, quarter notes each. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, it's up to you which one you choose, but I would tell that if you can play 8th notes, that would be the great one. So just a little practice here. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so like that you can practice, and once it's there you can use it with G major chord, C add 9, D major chord, and there are few more chords that I'll be telling, like G major 7, G7, and I have made a note. So you can play it with D7 and C major 7 I mentioned mostly, and then A minor 7, okay, and D7. So you can use those chords. You can play this finger pattern along with this progression, or mix of some of these chords, and it will sound nice. So these chords are new to us, so maybe I'll show some lessons on that, how to play them. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll meet in our next lesson. Bye bye.